Hey guys, today I'm going to take a look at this Elgato Wave 1 USB-C microphone. I'm gonna unbox it and also test it out. So this is the box. Pretty nice looking box. So now I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. So here it is, nicely packaged. Let's open this one up. And the first thing that we see is a quick start guide. So you can get started really easily. Let's put that one aside for a minute. And here we can see a little box. I think that's the Type-C cable. Yep, that's the power connector to your computer. Some paperwork. Okay, here is the boom arm extension if you want to install it to your boom arm. But it will come with the standard stand as well if you want to. Let's take this off. And here is the microphone wrapped into the film. Let's open it up. And here it is, Elgato Wave 1 USB microphone. So it comes with the stand, and also here is the volume knob, and the back of the microphone you can see the Type-C port and also the headphone jack for your mixing and monitoring. The stand feels really heavy and premium quality, to be honest. And there is nothing in the box left. So this is the unboxing part, and now let's test it out. To be honest, I have been using this Wave 1 microphone throughout the whole video, and if you enjoyed my voice and audio quality, then I really recommend to get this microphone. Also, it's really important to install the Wavelink software so you can tweak all the audio settings and also the software volumes and etc. And also make sure to use the headphone jack behind the microphone, because then you can monitor all your sounds and the voice from the mic. If you're interested in this microphone, I will leave the link down below. Go check it out and see you in the next video.